Hi, in this video we're gonna talk about Google Analytics Connectivity Segment Tag. But first, what's this tag? This tag will help you to split your mobile session by connectivity, Wi-Fi, 4G, H+, 3G, 2G, Edge, create custom Google Analytics segments for each connection type, get your average first view, load time or time to first byte per connection type. Why this tag is interesting? This tag is interesting for a couple of reasons. First, understand if speed is an issue on your website. Second, understand how speed impacts your business. Third, compare your conversion rate per connection type. For example, is your conversion rate better in 4G than 3G? How this tag works? This tag uses the new NetInfo API released last June in Android and Chrome 59. Once we have the information about the connection of the user, we send that to Google Analytics. Also, we put a cookie to don't send this information again on the other pages. As we can get the connectivity information on all the browsers, you will have to extrapolate the results. But after a couple of weeks, the result will be significant enough. How to set up the tag when Google Analytics is not in GTM? So, if the main Google Analytics tag is not managed with GTM, use this method. First, get the tag on this link, or you also can visit the GitHub repository to get it. Once you have the tag, copy it. Second, go on your website code and locate the main Google Analytics tag. Now, paste the custom tag right after the Google Analytics same page view function. Once it's done, you finish the on-site setup. Well done.
The setup with Google Tag Manager it's a bit more complex as we have to deal with data layer variable, but I will show you how to do it. Okay, now go in Google Tag Manager and click on Variables. Let's click New to add a new variable and let's put a name. I will put GAC event category. Okay. Now I will add a variable in the data layer. So data layer variable and add GAC event category. Version 2, save. Click on new again, let's add another variable. GAC event action. Add a new data layer variable and let's name our variable GAC event action. Version 2, save. Again, new GAC event label, data layer variable, GAC event label. Version 2, save. Okay, now we have all our variables that we need in the data layer.
Okay, let's now add a trigger. So in Google Tag Manager, select Trigger and click New. Name your trigger, here GA Mobile Connectivity Detected Event. Click on the little pen and click on Custom Event. Very important, put exactly this name, Connectivity Detected. It's case sensitive, so be sure to type exactly the same thing. And click Save.
Okay, Let's now add the tag. So go on tag, click on new, give a name. Here GA mobile connectivity detection. Click on the pen, click on Universal Analytics if you use it. Wait and click on event. On the category, add the variable that we added to the data layer. Same for action. And same for label. Now, very important, put non-interaction it at true. And select a trigger, select the pen, and select the event the trigger that we created. And save it. And don't forget to put your Google Analytics setting. Save. Now, let's add the main tag. Click on new, name it. Here, GA mobile connectivity detection tag. Click on the pen and click on custom HTML. Go on the GitHub repository and go on build and select GA mobile connection type.gtm.min.js, copy it and paste it. Add a trigger and select all pages and save it. Now you can hit publish and it will work. So put a name. Here GA mobile connectivity tag and hit publish. Okay, it's done. Now the tag will work. Once you set up the tag on your website, you now have to configure Google Analytics itself. It's not complicated. You have to create an event and a couple of segments. You now have to create an event in Google Analytics. So click on admin and click on goals and new goal. Put a name to the goal. The name is not very important. Here I chose mobile connectivity. Click on event, continue, and just put a category name. And very important, put connectivity like that. And save. Okay, now go in Google Analytics, click in Audience, Overview, and add segment. After, click on the red button, New Segment. Type a name. Here I use mobile Wi-Fi. Click on Technology and select device category mobile. So we'll exclude tablets. After, click on Conditions and search for event and add the event category that contains connectivity. Click on the End button, search again for event, click on Event Action, contains Wi-Fi, and save. You now have your mobile Wi-Fi segment. Let's create another segment, this time for cellular connection. Type the name, here mobile 4G, technology, again mobile. Click on condition, search for event, Event category contains connectivity and search for event. Event action contains cellular. Click again on and, search again for event. Event label contains 4G and save. You now have two segments, mobile and Wi-Fi. Now you can create other segments. Please refer to this table. We already created the mobile 4G segment together and the mobile Wi-Fi. You can create the mobile Edge Plus. So if you check the table name mobile Edge Plus, event category contains connectivity, event action cellular, and event label Edge Plus with capital H. Do the same for 3G and 2G if you want.